Hey, what is up people, this is Asam back again with another video. In this video I am going to show you how to use HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor using Python and Arduino. Okay, so guys, let me show the demo. Okay, we can see it detects Arduino automatically, and here is the distance in centimeter. Okay, if I move in front of the ultrasonic sensor, okay, here we can find, okay, the value is changing. Okay, I am right in front of the ultrasonic sensor, so the value is only 7 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, now let me terminate this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this project from scratch. Okay, here I'm going to use PyMata 4 module. This is a high performance Python client for the Arduino PyMata protocol. It depends on PyMata protocol, so I need to import a PyMata sketch from Arduino IDE. Okay, and it has couple of new feature. Okay, this is HC-SR04 ultrasonic distance sensor, and these other features has been added to this module recently. Okay, now we can use HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor using PyMata 4, and other stuffs like handling Arduino can be possible using PyMata 4. Okay, this is a very cool module for controlling Arduino. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Arduino IDE. From here, just simply go to your go to tools and then manage libraries. It will take a bit of time to open. It's taking a bit of time. If I go back to my browser, we can see it depends on PyMata Express. Okay, let me show you. Okay, it depends on PyMata Express. Okay, so I must install the PyMata Express module. Okay, so for that I'm going to search this in. So now I'm going to search PyMata Express. Okay, PyMata Express. Okay, I already installed it. In your case, you just simply click the install button and everything should be okay. Now close this and go to file, after that examples, and at the bottom you can find PyMata Express. Okay, just simply open the sketch, and there are lots of code, nothing to explain, just simply upload it to your Arduino board. Okay, we can see the sketch is compiling. Okay, we can see the uploading process has just started. Okay, uploading is done. We can find. Okay, now I'm going to make this project from scratch. Okay, so for that I'm going to create a new Python file. Let's say R04 YT. Okay, in this blank Python file, okay guys, let me show the diagram. Make sure this diagram is make sure you have designed your diagrams like this. Okay, let me split this to the right. Okay, now the trigger pin will go to the pin number of digital pin 11, and the echo pin is going to the pin number 13. Okay, now I'm going to import the time module first of all. Okay, and then I'm going to import PyMata 4 from PyMata 4. Okay, from PyMata 4 import PyMata 4. Okay, after that I'm going to set the trigger pin. Okay, trigger pin Okay, the trigger pin will be 11 and the echo pin will be at 12. Okay, now I'm going to set the board. Okay, the board is going to auto detect by PyMata 4. Okay, what it's going to do is search all the ports and find the connected port, find the connected Arduino port. Okay, now I'm going to set the board's pin mode. Okay, board.set pin mode, and the pin mode is going to be sonar. After that, I'm going to define the trigger pin. Okay, we can find it here. First of all, I need to define the trigger pin and then the echo pin and then the callback. Okay, so I'm going to define the trigger pin first of all and then the echo pin that I declared earlier. Okay, and then a callback. Okay, let me set it to the callback. Okay, but I didn't define the callback anywhere. Okay, so I need to define the callback, so I'm going to define it here. Okay, define the callback and I need to pass a argument. Okay, the argument is data and then the argument is data. Okay, now I'm going to print this data. Okay, distance, and let me pass the data. What is this? Actually, this is the data that I got from the callback. Okay, now I'm going to add a while loop, and in this while loop I'm going to do a try exception method. Now what I'm going to try, first of all I'm going to add I want to add a delay. Okay, time dot sleep. Let me set the delay to the 1 second. Okay, I just set the delay to 1 second, and then I'm going to read the trigger pin. Okay, so for that, board dot sonar read, and I want to read the trigger pin. Okay, if any exception occurred, then sorry guys, I did a spelling mistake. Except exception, if any exception occurred, then the board is going to shut down. Okay, now my project is ready. Okay, make sure you design your circuit something like this. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, these are the pins, and this is going to 11 and 12. Okay, now let me turn on my camera. Okay, sorry guys, I just unplugged my Arduino. Let me plug it, and okay, now I'm going to run my program again. Okay, we can see it detects Arduino automatically. Okay, we can find three values here. Okay, one is first pin was the echo pin, second is the trigger pin, and 25 is the distance. Okay, a third value is the distance. So I need to filter the distance. So for that, here this is a list property. So for accessing the third value, I need to pass 2 here. Okay, and now I'm going to terminate this and rerun my program, and let's see if it works or not. Okay guys, we can see the distance is 25, 26. Now I am going to move something in front of the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I am right in front of the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, now I'm going to increase the distance. Okay, now I'm going to increase the distance. Okay, you can find the distance is increasing. Okay, okay guys, we can see the distance is increasing. Okay, so guys, I think you guys got the idea how to use ultrasonic sensor using Python and Arduino. Okay guys, keep watching. Goodbye.